Hello everyone, welcome to my channel. My name is Dawlat and here I'm trying to teach Turkmen language. And of course later I will make some videos about the literature, about the poets who lived in the past centuries. But now we need to pay attention to the language points. So today we start the last case of the Turkmen language. We have in total we have 6 cases, and cases in Turkmen language we call düşüm. So today we study çykyş düşüm, instrumental case. Çykyş düşüm. Let's get started. Suffixes of the instrumental case. Çykyş düşüm. The suffixes of instrumental case are ndan, nden, we add after the vowels, and nden we add after the consonants. So students, what does it mean? As you know, every case has its own specific meanings. For example, iyilik düşüm we use in order to connect two objects, like or to connect object with the subject. Then yöneliş düşüm, when our action directed towards the object, men mektebe gidecek. Then yeniş düşüm, when we need to specify the objects. It's equivalent with the in English language. And then the previous class we studied de, ndan, de, vartorun düşüm, the locative case, equivalent with the on, in, at in Turkmen language, in English language. And today we study ndan, neden, dan, den. This case, it means from in English language. So the questions of this case are kimden, nereden, nereden. Kimden, nereden, nereden. From whom, from what, from where. Like the English from, it can be used to describe the origin, physical, material, or place. For example, bu köynük Türkiye'den. Bu köynük Türkiye'den. Köynük, bu, this, köynük. Pay attention how I read it. I don't say köynek, I say köynük. Again, because of this round vowel, we read the subsequent syllables rounded. Bu köynük Türkiye'den. This short dress is from Turkey. Bu köynük Türkiye'den. Bu köynük Türkiye'den. From. If we translate word by word, suffix by suffix, it would be bu, this, köynük, skirt or shirt or dress, Türkiye, Turkey, then from. So, men Ecem'den hat aldım. Men, I, Ecem. Ece is a mother, my mother. Then from, hat, letter, al, to take, the, past simple, again, men. Means men. Men Ecem'den hat aldım. I got a letter from my mother. Men Ecem'den hat aldım. The next one. Bu köynük partadan. Bu köynük partadan. Bu, this, köynük is a dress or shirt. Parta is a cotton. Dan is a from. So the dress is made from cotton. Bu köynük partadan. Bu köynük partadan. Okay. Sometimes use it with the verbs in a way that sounds strange to English speakers. Yeah. Fen kitabı kimden aldın? Fen kitabı kimden aldın? Who has your book, or on whom is your book? Let's say that. Fen kitabı kimden aldın? These examples, you remember, I wanted to remind you about the dade. Here, mende motor yok. I don't have a motorbike. On me, there is no motorbike. Please don't get confused or don't mixed up dade with ndan neden, because dade is on in at, but kimden den is a from. So sen kitabı kimden aldın? Who did you take your book from? Sen, you, kitap, book. Yanlış düşüm, because we know which book we are talking about. Kim, who, den, from, aldın, you took. You took. From whom you took your book, if we translate like word by word. So, sen ondan sormalı. You should ask from him. You should ask from him. Sen is a you. All is a he, she, it. All he, she, it. But when we add the cases, we change le to the n. So sen not oldan, but sen ondan. Sen ondan sormalı. You should ask from him. Sora is a ask. Mali should. Mali should. So let's get into the examples. Mithilim, the most common question which is asked using nden is, where are you from? Sen nereden? Sen nereden? Where are you from? Biz Amerika'dan. We are from America. Biz Amerika'dan. We are from America. So, then we add after the vowels, and then we add after the consonants. So now let's try to do some exercise using then. So, fin molum. Here we need to add dan or den. Did you ask from the teacher? Sholhat kim, again dan geldi. Who did that letter come from? Bu kuyunu Hatay, again dan. This shirt is from China. Men Mari, again dan Ashgabat'a gittim. I went from Mari to Ashgabat. So students, now please do this exercise, and then you can send me your answers. I will check it. Then pay attention. We add after the yoğun çekimli, that is back vowels. Then we add after the front vowels, ince çekimli. That's why we need to pay attention to the last vowel. If the last vowel yoğun, the back vowel, we need to add dan. If the last vowel or the only vowel is ince, which is front vowel, we need to add den. Bu köynek Hatay'dan, men Mari'dan Ashgabat'a gittim, and so on. So students, now these are the 6 cases with the suffixes, with the examples. Let's review all of them, then we can finish today's video. So nominative case is a baş düşüm. Baş düşüm has a questions kim, näme, nire. For example, Leyli is the name of the girl. Parta, cotton. Göktepe is the name of the city not far from the Ashgabat. It's a historical city, historical place. So kim, näme, nire. Kim, Leyli. Näme, Parta. Nire, Göktepe. Kim, Ayul. Näme, Fu, water. Ano is another city not far from the Ashgabat also. And nire, ano. So no change, no suffixes in the baş düşüm. That's all. Then the next one, genitive case. Kimin, nämen, nirenin. The suffixes ng, nung, nung. Ing, ung. Leyling, Partan, Göktepen. Pay attention. Here the word is göktepe, but when we when we say some words long, especially when we need to say long, as I told you, we need to change it to the because we don't have long we have just short so we change it to the göktepen anavung thuvung ayulung. The dative case nane kime leyle parta göktepe ayule thuo anave. The next one, accusative case. Nini i lilini partani göktepeni ayuli thui anavi. So accusative case kimi nemen nirani, locative case kimde nemede nirede, and the suffixes da de ndan de leylide partada gökdepede da de ayulde thudo anode. Instrumental case çykyş düşüm, the last one but not the least, kimden nemeden nireden dandan neden leyliden partadan gökdepeden ayulden thudan anoden. So students, I will read the names of these cases in Turkmen. Nominative is a baş düşüm, genitive eğilik düşüm, dative yöneliş düşüm, accusative yeniş düşüm, locative vart orun düşüm, instrumental çykyş düşüm. So these are the table of all the suffixes. You can download it and keep it because we'll use it many times. Actually, in Turkmen language, these are used in every sentence, you can say. So students, that's all for today. Thank you for watching and see you in the next videos. Bye bye.